Hello everyone, I am Vamik Khan, currently pursuing BLLB from Vivekanand College of Law, Aligarh. Currently, I am also legal and in legal internet Lexis and Company law firm. So my presentation topic is euthanasia. So euthanasia, also called mercy killing, act or practice of painlessly putting to death person suffering from painful and incurable disease or incapacitating physical disorder or allowing them to die by withholding treatment or withdrawing artificial life support measures. Because there is no specific provision for it in most legal systems, it is usually regarded as either suicide if performed by the patient himself or murder if performed by another. Physicians may, however, lawfully decide not to prolong life in case of extreme suffering, and they may administer drugs to relieve pain even if this shortens the patient life. In the late 20th century, several European countries had special provisions in their criminal codes for lenient sentencing and the consideration of extenuating circumstances in the prosecution for euthanasia. The opinion that euthanasia is morally permissible is traceable to Socrates, Plato, and the Stoics. It is rejected in traditional Christian belief chiefly because it is thought to contravene the provision of murder in the Ten Commandments. The organized movement for legalization of euthanasia commenced in England in 1935 when C. Click Millard founded the Voluntary Euthanasia Legislation Society, later called the Euthanasia Society. The society bill was defeated in the House of Lords in 1936, as was a motion on the same subject in the House of Lords in 1950. In the United States, the Euthanasia Society of America was founded in 1938. The first countries to legalize euthanasia were the Netherlands in 2001 and Belgium in 2002. In 1997, Oregon became the first state in the United States to decriminalize physician-assisted suicide. Opponents of the controversial law, however, attempted to have it overturned. In 2009, the Supreme Court of South Korea recognized a right to die with dignity in its decision to approve a request by the family of brain dead woman that she be removed from life support systems. The potential of modern medical practice to prolong life through technologically means has provoked the question of what courses of action should be available to the physician and the family in case of extreme physical or emotional suffering, especially if the patient is incapable of choice. Passively doing nothing to prolong life or withdraw life support measures has resulted in criminal charges being brought against physicians. On the other hand, the families of comatose and apparently terminal patients have instituted legal action against the medical establishment to make them support the use of extraordinary life support. So this is all about euthanasia and the euthanasia history and origin, and this is all about the euthanasia. So this video is not for any promotion, advertisement, etc. If you have any feedback, please mention in the comment box, and if you have any also the question to related to euthanasia, please please mention in the comment box, and please like this video and subscribe the Lexis and Company law firm channel. So thank you and have a nice day.